Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a quick look at a simple but essential piece of audio equipment, the PremiumCord 6.35mm jack adapter. This little black adapter is designed to connect two 6.35mm jack cables together, effectively extending the length of your audio connections. The PremiumCord adapter is incredibly compact, measuring just 1.97 by 0.79 by 0.79 inches. It's lightweight too, barely registering at 1.5 grams. This makes it ideal for throwing in your gig bag or keeping in your studio toolbox without adding any noticeable bulk. The adapter features a female 6.35mm jack on both ends, allowing you to connect two male 6.35mm jack cables. This is particularly useful for musicians, audio engineers, or anyone who needs to extend the reach of their headphones, instruments, or other audio equipment. The build quality seems decent for such a small and inexpensive item. The connectors feel solid, and the black finish is clean and unobtrusive. While it's not going to win any design awards, it's a functional and practical piece of kit. In terms of performance, the PremiumCord adapter does exactly what it's supposed to do. It provides a clean and reliable audio connection without introducing any noticeable noise or signal degradation. Of course, the quality of your cables will also play a role in the overall sound, but the adapter itself doesn't seem to negatively impact the audio signal. Overall, the PremiumCord 6.35mm jack adapter is a handy little tool to have around. It's affordable, compact, and does its job effectively. If you need to extend your 6.35mm jack connections, this adapter is a simple and reliable solution. It's a great addition to any musician's or audio enthusiast toolkit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.